You know how most budget phones cut corners just to fit in a fancy feature or two? The Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G says, why not do everything and do it well? It's got a 144Hz AMOLED display, 90-watt fast charging, stereo speakers by JBL, and even wireless charging, all under 180 euros. Sounds too good to be true? Let's see what it actually delivers. In this video, we're breaking down this phone from top to bottom, not just listing specs, but actually explaining what each feature means for real-life usage. From the design and display to performance, camera, battery, and more, no technical fluff, just straight-up user perspective. The frame is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, which is stronger and more durable than plastic. That means if you ever drop the phone or put it under pressure, it won't bend or break easily. It also gives the phone a more premium, flagship-like feel in your hand. Now, there's a small touch that makes a big difference: the RGB light on the back. It glows when you get calls or notifications. It's subtle but helpful when your phone is on silent or lying face down. At 7.3 millimeters, the phone is super slim, which makes it easier to handle, but at 198 grams, it still feels solid and well balanced. You won't feel like you're holding a toy. And yes, there's IP64 certification, which means it's safe from dust and light water splashes. No, you can't drop it in water, but accidental rain or bathroom steam won't be a problem. The screen is 6.78 inches, so it's perfect for watching content, playing games, or just enjoying social media without constantly zooming in or out. But the real win here is the AMOLED panel with 144Hz refresh rate. Why does that matter? Because AMOLED gives you deeper blacks, better contrast, and more vibrant colors, which means everything just looks better. And with 144Hz, your scrolling feels fluid, gaming feels smooth, and even typing feels more responsive. It also goes up to 1300 nits brightness. That's bright enough to use under direct sunlight without squinting at your screen. Inside, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate. Now, it's not a flagship chip, but it's built on a 6-nanometer process, which makes it efficient, meaning less heat and better battery life. Apps open quickly, multitasking is fluid, and day-to-day tasks like watching videos, switching apps, and social media scrolling work without lag. You get to choose between 8GB or 12GB RAM, both paired with 256GB storage. That's more than enough for most users. Even though there's no SD card slot, the storage is UFS 2.2, which means faster read-write speeds, so apps load quicker, and file transfers are faster than phones with older eMMC storage. The main camera is 50 megapixels with OIS, which helps reduce blur from shaky hands, especially in low light. Most budget phones skip OIS, so it's great to see it here. There's also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, which is perfect for group shots or capturing buildings and landscapes without needing to step back. The phone records at 1440p and even supports slow motion at 240 FPS in 1080p. That's fun for making creative videos or just playing around. The front camera is 32 megapixels, and it performs well for selfies, video calls, and short reels. It also supports 1080p recording, which is sharp enough for social media. Let's talk battery. The 5200 mAh cell inside easily lasts a full day, even if you're gaming or watching YouTube for hours. But the charging setup is where this phone really steps ahead of others. The 90-watt wired charger can take it from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes. That's faster than many flagships. You also get 30-watt wireless charging, something that's rare even in phones twice this price. Plus, reverse charging lets you charge another phone, and bypass charging powers the phone directly when gaming, so your battery heats up less. This setup is honestly one of the most complete we've seen in this range. You get dual stereo speakers tuned by JBL. That means sound isn't just loud, but well balanced. Great for watching movies, listening to music, or gaming without headphones. It also supports high-res audio, which means better clarity for those who use high-quality music files or premium wireless earbuds. No headphone jack here, but Bluetooth 5.4 is strong and stable. Your connection stays smooth, even across rooms. Here's what else is packed in: heart rate monitor and SpO2 sensor. Basic health checks right from your phone. Under-display fingerprint scanner, looks cleaner and works fast. FM radio, IR blaster, control your TV or AC, and NFC in supported regions. All useful tools. Again, no SD card slot, but 256GB should be enough for 99% of users. It runs on Android 15 with XOS 15 on top. The interface is clean, minimal bloat, and user-friendly. It comes with 2 years of major updates, which is reassuring if you plan to keep the phone long-term. Animations are smooth. There are some smart features like screen recording, privacy dashboard, and gesture controls. Nothing overdone, just helpful tools. For those who care about benchmarks, Antutu, approximately 437,000 Geekbench, multi-core, approximately 1,973, DM Mark, Wildlife Extreme, 384. In real-world use, it's smooth, responsive, and doesn't overheat even after long usage. That's what really matters. If you're looking for a phone that gives you flagship-level features without the flag flagship price, this is hard to ignore. It charges super fast, looks premium, sounds great, has useful extras, and handles daily tasks with ease. The camera does a decent job too, especially in good lighting. Sure, it's not perfect, no 5G, no SD card, no headphone jack, but what you get for 180 euros is impressive. Great for students, casual users, and anyone who wants maximum value without cutting quality. Like this video? Hit that thumbs up. Want more honest, no fluff reviews? Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one. See.